Hello everybody, myself Puspa Pokhrel, student number 7843-926. Currently doing my master's in civil engineering in University of Wollongong. Today I am here to present on the topics impact of climate change in uh, water resources management and quality of the coastal agriculture. Moving forward to my presentations, it contains introduction, literature review, research design, conclusion, and the references. Introduction. As you know, coastal agriculture is the kind of the farming that is done in the coastal lines, which mainly depend on the agriculture, and they can be uh, fish farming or any other kind of the marine farming. Coastal agriculture offer the milder climate, fertile soil, and most importantly, it offer the water, which is most important for any kind of the crop cultivations. The main impact of the global warming is the rise in the temperatures, resulting in the melting of the ice and the extreme weather conditions, shifting in the precipitations patterns, prolonged drought, pressure on the freshwater aquifers, and others are some the examples of the extreme weather events. So, what is the main questions of our topics? The main question of my report is how badly the impact of the climate change affect the water resources management and groundwater quality and quantity in the coastal agriculture. So moving forward through my research, what came forward are the other questions can what is the system capacity to withstand the increasing demand? How can we focus the optimizing the soil to overcome increasing demand of the publics? What is the quality and quantity of different minerals available in that regions? So moving forward for the literature review, uh, so Istupapa at 23 say that depending on the environment condition, hydrocarbon systems form sedimentation environment correspond to the character of the Berish basin types. Rugai at 23 says that the critical sources of the freshwater is decreasing as the global temperature continue to rise as a result of the glacier meltdown. Osusuka at 23 says that the net profit of microtechnology is 1.75 times more of the traditional technology. Microtechnology is the precise kind of a technology used for doing the agriculture, for which from which we get the 1.75 more profit than that of the traditional way of the agriculture. Sao in 2023 says that to conserve the fresh water and mitigating pollutions by discharge of untreated waters, water recycling practice can be used for irrigation in the coastal agriculture. The wastewaters that is discharged haphazardly can be used for recycling. So Sao in 2020 have some research about it. So Kumar and Viswanathan in 2020 say that what smart water management technology is a promising technology to challenge the challenge the problem faced by the coastal agricultures. They can optimize the waters and enhance the crop yield, improve the sustainability, and reduce the water uses. This is what we are sourcing in our resources. So smart water management can be one of the effective technique for to overcome the impact of climate change. So also the Kumar and Viswanathan in 2023 in their other researches says that longer tidal period means increased salinity and greater saltwater intrusion through the reservoir bed, resulting decrease in the rate of desalinizations. So Istopakova a 2023 says that to overcome the degradation of the ground defect irrigation and defect irrigation along the land bed, cultivators claim combined with or without the development and operation of the resources. The crop productivity is highest for the defect irrigation combined with reservoir operations. Moving forward for our research designs, how our research designs work. We are first collection of the meteorological data with the uses of the GPC, interview and field visit, analysis of the data through the statistical software, predicting the recent trends and analysis with the different approaches of statistics, outline the qualitative interpretation of the complexity. So as the climate changes is a very complex matters, if we are able to solve the one portion, so still the more came forward. So to overcome this complexity, we can outline the qualitative interpretations of different individuals. So concluding the research, uh, identification of the different policies can be very effective examine the extreme weather conditions, changes in the weather patterns, rise in temperatures which affect the productivity of the coastal agricultures, and assessing the mitigation strategies to overcome the climate-induced challenges can be very effective in our resources. Our main focus is for the sustainable and the durable design of the infrastructures. Also, the comprehensive study of the previous events to predict the future trend is very necessary. As the climate changes, the patterns are changing, but it is ongoing processes. But the previous events are very helpful for our resources. These are the references I am using throughout my report, and thank you everyone.